We're at day 15 with the Cornish cross. This is a look at them before they're fed. And I have another one that's along with the quail, which is little Roscoe. He was the smallest, so I decided to keep him with the quail. There's Roscoe doing well, enjoying his time with the quail at 15 days. And now, as you can see, I have put the food in there, and they're doing what they do. And I also know I'm gonna have to get a bigger brooder, make a bigger brooder, because once I put the waterers in there, by the time I filled up their feed tray, both of the waterers were empty. So we're getting ready for bigger and better things.